ఇప్పుడు మనము డేటా క్లౌడ్ కన్సల్టెంట్ సర్టిఫికేషన్ మెయింటెనెన్స్ వింటర్ 75 యొక్క ఎక్సర్సైజ్ చూస్తున్నాము. ఫస్ట్ మాడ్యూల్ చూద్దాం. ఇందులో 6 క్వశ్చన్స్ ఉంటాయి, మల్టిపుల్ చాయిస్ క్వశ్చన్స్. ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్, what changes have been made to data cloud setup? Option A and B. A option is data cloud setup navigation has been updated and reorganized. B option, the data cloud admin permission is not required before accessing setup. So answer A and B. Now second question, what is the role of the external data lake object DLO in data cloud data federation? Answer is, it acts as a reference to the data stored in a partner external platform. Third, what is the main goal of refining user access to data spaces? Option A, to improve data security and align with the CRM access control. Next, fourth question, how can users be granted permissions to view specific data lake object DLOs? Answer third option, by accessing them to a permission set associated with the data spaces where the DLO lives. Next, fifth, how does platform encryption key management work for data cloud? Option second, it allows the control of encryption keys with a single root key. Next, sixth one, what advantage do new data type provide in data cloud? Option C, they enhance flexibility and expand compatibility with external system. So that is about first module. Now we will see the second module. ఇక్కడ మనకు 5 questions ఉన్నాయి. First one, in which scenario are data graphs particularly useful? Last option, when personalizing web pages or accessing customer 360 profiles quickly. Second question, which of the following is an example of unstructured data? Answer is chat transcripts. Next, third, what new option does a user have to copy data cloud data into objects? Last option, copy data into more objects from setup by selecting enrichments. Next, fourth, true or false question, a user can quickly verify that a data cloud trigger flow behaves as intended without manually configuring debug parameters. Answer is true. Which tab provide access to AI models in data cloud? Einstein Studio. That is the answer. So 2 modules completed. 2 modules అయిపోయాయి. 3వ మాడ్యూల్ చూద్దాం. ఇది కూడా మల్టిపుల్ చాయిస్ క్వశ్చన్సే. ఇందులో 4 క్వశ్చన్సే ఉన్నాయి. వాట్ ఈజ్ ఐన్స్టీన్ డేటా ప్రిజమ్? ఆన్సర్, a feature that adds semantic descriptions to the data cloud schema. Second question, how can a user create data cloud reports without going to the report tab? Answer is, create a report from the calculated insights or DMO list view or the object record page. How can user turn off smart total in a report? Answer is first one, use the toggle in the report footer. Last question in the last module, what is the benefit of combining first and third party data in data cloud? Second option, to improve generative AI feature for Einstein for service. So these three are the modules in data cloud. Data cloud consultants. That's it. Please like, subscribe and share this video. Thank you.